Hey, what's going on YouTube? So as you can see, this here is my OnePlus One, and yes, this is running on Android version 6.0.1 Marshmallow, which is based on the build number MMB29X. So there you can see, if I just tap here, I get the Marshmallow, and then we obviously get the game over here. That's the Marshmallow game. There you can see. So that's pretty cool. So basically I'll be showing you what all things we get in the Marshmallow official Marshmallow thing on the OnePlus One. But yeah, if you didn't get the update and if you're rooted, just do one thing, just go into the Play Store or in the link in the description below, and I think this app works for most of the time. Just have to do is just have to hit on incremental update and just download that. um, the reviews are great. I mean, they say that it works, but I have no idea. Just try it for yourself. So just going into the settings, as you can see, everything here is normal. uh, as you can see, if you go into sounds, no extra things, you just have the vibrate intensity. I guess this was available on the CM12, I think. Then going to display and lights, you get the ambient display, which is normal. You get the HDD density option, so that was there again. Then going down, as you can see, you have the battery option, and the battery life, I must say, is increased by a bit. I mean, I used to get like 4.5 to 5 hours of SOT before. Now I get around 6 hours, so that's actually pretty good. On KitKat I used to get more than 6 hours, so that was actually the best. But anyways, you have the memory option, which is the Marshmallow feature that actually shows us or tells us how much RAM basically is used in 3 hours or 6 hours or 12 hours or even a day. So that's pretty cool. Also, you can choose what all apps should start when you boot the device, so that's actually pretty good. You don't get this feature on stock ROM, you just have it on some custom ROMs and stuff. So actually this is pretty good that CyanogenMod did include this feature on in the ROM. Then you go to the status bar, and as you can see, everything here is normal. You can select what all icon should be displayed on your status bar. So if you just disable the Wi-Fi still will be connected, but it won't be shown on the or displayed on the status bar. So like if your status bar is crowded or something like that, just have can reduce the number of icons on the status bar. Then we have the quick pull down, that is pretty normal again. And then going down, you have storage and USB. Unfortunately, OnePlus One doesn't have a micro SD card option, so the internal storage thing that includes the micro SD card won't work here. But if you just hit on the Explorer, as you can see, you get the file manager over here. But CyanogenMod does include a file manager. There's this, as you can see, so I have no need of that actually. But going to settings again, you get the developer options. You can like stay awake while charging or USB charging and things like that. If you are not rooted, you can just select this and update CyanogenMod recovery. Then going down, as you can see, um, we get all the basic things here. That is, let's see, you get the transition animation scale and things like that. So I did reduce it to like increase the performance or animation and stuff, but yeah, that's normal. Also, you get the new CyanogenMod launcher. I'll just quickly show you. That's the Trebit launcher, something like that. This is good actually, but I like the Google Now launcher. So also I did reduce the DPI, so now I get 5 icons here, as you can see, which looks pretty good in my opinion. But this launcher is good as well, no complaints here. So there you can see the folders and things here are well organized, so that's pretty neat. Then going back into the settings, let's see what all we get here. Then what else we get here, let's see. We get the apps. The first in Lollipop, the RAM memory, I'm sorry, was included in apps. So now you can like have the app permissions. That is the new Marshmallow feature. As you can see, you can set the app permissions for particular app. If you don't like, or if you don't want an app to use the permission, you can easily deny that. So basically, like if I don't want, let's say, um, Chrome, or let's say Filmic Pro, or any app to not use my camera, I can just easily deny the permission, and then it won't be using the camera again. So that's actually pretty good. Then you have additional permissions for some stuff. I don't know for what, but yeah, you can like mess with the permissions and things if you want. But other than that, it's pretty normal. As you can see, all the Marshmallow features are here. Then going back, you can also choose a particular app and then give it a permission. So this is the Google stock app, so it won't require any permission. But if you go to dine out, and if you select, as you can see, you can enable or disable the permissions that you want to give it to that particular app. So that's actually pretty good. So yeah, that's been it, guys. This is the new Marshmallow update for the OnePlus One. And if you want to see more videos on this, just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll do more videos on the ROM as well. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.